Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the ice cream stamp set. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set that includes 5 images, 1 sentiment, and 5 words to create your own sentiment like peekaboo, I see you. Now, the creepy one-eyed monster is the tallest image, measuring 2.5 inches tall. The bat eyeball is 3 inches wide. You could even use this for Valentine's Day with the little eyeballs in that bottom left corner and that heart. I created a fun shaker card for a sample to share with you using the ice cream image along with the new Slimline Wobbly Windows die. If you want to see more inspiration featuring the ice cream stamp set, head over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. You want to be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.